Okay, so you applied for merch by Amazon, and maybe 6 months later or so, you've just been approved. So congratulations. But now you're wondering where the hell do I start? So I made this video as like a quick start guide, and you can go from start to finish within 7 minutes without even needing to make a design or hire a design. So follow my instructions carefully, and you'll get a good idea what to do. Okay, as we've established, you've just been accepted to Merch by Amazon. You don't really know where to start, where to look. So I'm going to give you a free design resource that will help you just get the ball rolling. So go to Google and type in merchcomplete.com. Go to the website. Okay, and then go to this gig here. So this is a free design. Press add to cart. And proceed to checkout. You've got to put in your email, your details, and that's it. So proceed to checkout, and then in a day or two, you will get a reply from merchcomplete.com with your free design. Okay, so you wait an extra day or two, and you're going to get a free sample from merchcomplete.com. So download the free design. As that's downloading, we'll need to go to your merch account, and you'll be on the dashboard. Then click on create. Yeah. Then upload the new file. There it is. If you go to my Facebook, you can download this Merch by Amazon guide. It's all free stuff. It's got some really cool tools on it. But you can check out my cheat sheet here, and you click that as you open. So once you go onto this page, wait for it to upload, and then you press front or back. But most designs will be on the front, so I wouldn't worry about back too much. So whilst that's loading, so I'm going to give you a copy and paste template that will do most of the work for you. All you got to do is think of the special keywords at the time, but it should pop up now. There you go. Eat, sleep, make knives, repeat. So the niche is knife making. Press save and continue, and we're going to talk about colors and the gender. Right, so best thing to do, tick all these, because sometimes men and women, so sometimes women buy men's shirts. So even if it's targeted for women, just tick all of these. You might as well. There's no extra work. Then dark color designs sell better. So I recommend these colors at first, because these create the most sales. And then put your start price. So let's say start price is 16. So for every one design you sell, you're going to make $4.64 royalty. Press save and continue. And now we're going to do the keywords. So the keywords are going to be laid out like this. And you've got to do the brand, the title, bullet 1, bullet 2, and description. So we'll go through that now. So as you see, brand name, title. Okay, so I want you to copy and paste with my cheat sheet. Bullet point 2, description, and the call to action. Okay, so this is where you got to be a little bit creative now. So try and put the main keywords in the brand and the title. So these two boxes, you should put your most powerful keywords in there. So knife making shirts. Use a bit of capitals to kind of make it look nice. phrase and the keyword here. So eat, sleep, and then phrase and make knives. And if it's a funny t-shirt, just type in funny, or you can put something like awesome, but put it relevant there. We've got 15 characters left, so you can always add some extra ones on the end. So knife making. So you got the different variations of it. So this awesome, bullet point 1. This awesome. Sharp knife t-shirt is the perfect gift idea for men who love to make knives and feel manly about it. Point 2, if you are someone you know loves knife making, and this I'm going to say alpha male, quite relevant to this. Alpha male theme design is just for you, and then you don't have to add to that really. Save selection, and that's pretty much it. You've got yourself your first shirt on Amazon. You got to press sell and double check the typos, double check the grammar, and have a look at it. Then all you can do is press sell, and that's it. And you go live. I can't upload anymore because I've reached my submissions, but I'm gonna have to put it at draft. But what you would do, you press sell and press save, and that's it. You're good to go.